Hello, my YouTube friend. Guess what? In this video, I'm going to be opening up this case of Universal Monsters Mystery Minis. I'm actually really excited to open this case. I really hope I get the Invisible Man, because that one's really cool, but that's a 1 in 72. So I don't know if I'm going to be lucky or not, but I'm going to give it a go. Now, when I saw these, I ordered a bunch of cases, so I do have extra cases. So I'll be selling these unopened cases of 12 figures for $70 plus shipping. I'm going to be putting them on Mercari and another website that I'll put in the description below for anyone who wants to order them internationally. But for today, I'm really excited to open this. This is my case. I'm hoping to get most of them in this case. I know there's a few that I'm going to have to track down, some of the rare ones. But for now, I'm happy to have most of them in this case. All right, let's open up this box. Okay, this is what the outer case looks like. It's just a cardboard box. This time, they used to actually individually seal the cases inside. They would put shrink wrap around them, but I don't think they do that anymore. They just have these outer cardboard boxes. I kind of liked when they were shrink wrapped, because then I could sell unopened cases in my shop, and they would look cool, because it would just be the whole box. You could say you have them, but they're in these boxes. The box comes with this cool little header. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. Very cool box. I love the display boxes on the Mystery Minis. They're so enticing when you see this. It's like, oh, I gotta grab one, and you gotta gamble and try to get that rare one. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, so I haven't jumbled these up, so these are in the order. I know older boxes, they used to do the rare ones in the front four. It would either be those three or these three. But I think they collated them better now. I'm not 100% sure. We're going to find out. You can also weigh the boxes if you're looking for a specific figure. But in this case, I'm just opening up a whole box because I want to see what I'm going to get. I know I'm going to get 2 duplicates of the... I think these two. There's 2 that are common. Wait, let's look. Yeah, Frankenstein and Wolfman are 1 in 6. So those are common. I'll probably get 2 of those that are duplicates. When I sell the cases, I'm selling you a brand new unopened case. So you are most likely going to get the duplicates as well. If you want me to weigh your box and pull out the duplicates and just send you 2 other random Mystery Minis that are not duplicates, I'll do that. I'm happy to do that because I kind of hate when people get all the duplicates. It's just a pain in the butt. I wish they didn't do 1 in 6s. I wish they only did 1 in 12s so that when you bought a full box, you got no duplicates or you got all different ones. Okay, so this is the front corner. I really hope the 1 in 72 Invisible Man, that's the one I really, really, really want. Here, let me show you the box first so you can kind of see. That's what it looks like. Okay. Alright. Moment of truth. I'm going to put this so you can see it. So you can see what the odds are of each one. Okay. Let's see what we got. Guessing the Wolfman. Oh no, Frankenstein. Cool. Awesome. I love these. This is a set I really wanted to put together when I saw them. With Frankenstein, let's see. He's 1 in 6. Okay. So he's a common one, but he's cool. I actually... Wait, he's not... Yeah, he's not the one holding the flower. Okay. So the 1 in 6s, those I'm sure I'll be able to sell them in my shop, the duplicates. But I just hate when they make such a common one. At least it's Frankenstein and Wolfman. They're cool. It's 2. When I put a case in my box, I opened this one in the front, and that one was the Wolfman. So I'm guessing the front 2 might be 1 in 6s. So if you see a brand new case, avoid those 2. Because it might be the same in every box. But we'll see. I could be wrong. But I'm guessing this one is Wolfman, just based on placement. Because in the past, it was always based on placement. Okay, who do we have? Ooh, Frankenstein. Okay, we got the 2 1 out of 6s out of the way. So it might be that the 2 in the front are just 1 in 6s. It's not necessarily any specific one. But that's been my experience so far. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now I feel like I had someone open up a case and one of these was a rare one. So I believe the middle ones might be the rare ones. We'll see if it's the same collation. What I did was when I opened up the case for my shop, I actually mixed it up. I like to give everyone a fair shot at it, but I did label the location of each one just so I could verify it. And so I told him it was a regular of mine, and I told him that I just wanted to see what the location was. So show me what he got, and he got a pretty nice. He got the Invisible Man, so that was pretty awesome. He got the one I wanted. Okay, awesome. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm gonna fill him up. Not sure. Ooh, the creature from the Black Lagoon. What is he? He is 1 in 12. Okay, so he's a more common one. I think someone pulled the Creature of the Black Lagoon out of the box I have in my shop already. He's cool. That's actually one of the ones I really want. I love the Creature. Okay, so this one, I'm predicting this one is going to be a more valuable, rarer one. That's my guess. Okay. I think it's the Bride. I'm guessing it's the Bride. Just the way she feels, it feels like the Bride. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it isn't the... Oh, yeah. She is cool. Okay, so I'm wrong about placement. I have to double check. I made a little chart. But I'm still happy to get that. That is cool. Okay, so far, the second row, we're 1 in 12s. Okay, so let's see what the back row is. I'm guessing it's going to be similar in other boxes. Okay. Let's see what we got. What we got. Back in the day when I first started collecting Funko Pops, getting the Universal Monsters were one of my top priorities. So I actually have a lot of those. Okay, let's see who we got. Gonna feel it up. Cape. Ooh, I think it's the Phantom. No, it's Dracula. Okay, Dracula's 1 in 6. Coming! Okay, so I have another 1 in 6. So I suspect I might get another Dracula in here. Or I might get the Wolfman. I'm kind of hoping it's the Wolfman and not Dracula. Oh, wait, is that... Oh, no, wait. This is the 1 in 24. Oh, cool. Okay, not the common one. I thought he's the 1 in 6. He's the 1 in 24. Okay, nice. So I got one kind of rare pull so far. Okay. I'm not a fan of the gamble, but opening up one case to get the base of the set is cool, and then usually what I do is I try to trade or buy for the rest. Because buying multiple cases, you end up with so many duplicates. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, goggles? Ooh, I think it's the Invisible Man. Oh! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Sorry. This is the one I wanted the most. Okay, I got the 1 in 72 Invisible Man. That one's amazing. Love it. Nice. Okay, I'm good. That's the one I really wanted. Okay. Whew. Everything else is just golden now. I think he's probably worth as much as a box costs, or at least like half the value. So, awesome. That's what you want. You want those rare ones. What's the other one? The Phantom of the Opera is the other 1 in 72? Okay. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna take him out. I'm filling it up out of the bag. This is fun. His face. He's got a face. I'm guessing a Frankenstein, maybe. Oh no, the Mummy. Where's the Mummy? Mummy is 1 in 6. Okay. So far I got 4 of the 1 in 6s, but they're different ones. So I'm actually really happy about that. Oh, I love this one. Okay. Oh, love it. Awesome. Okay. Got another one. Oh, I thought the Invisible Man would be hard. I actually might have to try to get the rest of the set now. Now that I have the rarest one. Oh, well, I still need the Phantom. Okay, another box. Okay, box out. Okay, this feels like a Frankenstein. Oh, no, another Mummy. Okay. 1 in 6. The 1 in 6s are piling up. So I have, that's the second duplicate. So the duplicates are a little bit higher than I... No, I was expecting about 2 duplicates. But I didn't think I would get that many 1 in 6s. But what is left? The Wolfman is the only other common one. Although that one, like I said, I already opened up in my store. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put all the duplicates in my shop. And what I do in my shop is when people buy mystery minis, I have maybe 100 other mystery minis on display that people can buy for $6 each. And what I do is with the mystery minis, if you get a duplicate or one you don't want, I guarantee a trade. You can trade one that you opened up for another one that I have open already. That way it makes it a little bit better so that if you want to buy multiples, if you get duplicates, it's not the end of the world. Okay. So far I got, what I got? I got 1 in 24, I got 1 in 72, I got 2 rare ones. I suspect that there will be one more. It's usually in every box in the past I've had, there's usually 3 rare ones. So I'm assuming there's at least one more rare one. I'm hoping not too many of the 1 in 6s are left. There could be. Okay. So far I'm very happy though. I'm getting the ones I really, really want. Now I just need the regular Invisible Man, the one that's covered in bandages. Okay, what do we have? Something in his hand. He's holding something. So I think this is the 1 in 6 Dracula. Yeah. So this is the one I thought I got in the first pull. But so he is the common one, but I do have the rare one. So I'm actually happy about that. And I didn't have Dracula yet, so that's good. So far, what do I have? I have 5 1 in 6s, 2 1 in 12s. Okay. I'm hoping I don't get any more 1 in 6s. I kind of hate getting so many duplicates. Whew, okay. Let's see what we got. Having fun. Let's open it. Okay, he has a cape and a candle, so I'm guessing it's Dracula again. Yep. Dracula duplicate. That one doesn't want to stand. His feet are a little bit harder to stand. I'm going to leave him there. So all the duplicates, I am going to pull out the duplicates. I'm going to put them in my shop, and I will offer them. If someone opens up a box at my shop and they get like a duplicate of a 1 in 6 that they don't want, they can trade for another one. I like doing that just to make it a little bit more fun to buy the mystery minis, because getting duplicates suck. Okay. 2 left. There's got to be one more rare one in here. Like I said in the past, I've always had at least 3 rare ones per box of 12. I want to open up more boxes like this. Do you want to see me open up more boxes? I'm thinking about just ordering a lot more mystery boxes from the companies, from Kid Robot, from Funko, and just do more mystery boxes, because this is fun. I kind of enjoy this. Okay. See what we got? He's got a big... Is he the mummy again? Oh no, Wolfman. Okay. So like I said, I do have one that I opened in the shop, so I have them already, sort of. But I'm happy to add them to my collection. So far I got 3 duplicates. I'm expecting one more Wolfman. And then one more rare one, I think. So again, if you want to buy a case and you want me to try to... I'll weigh it and try to pull out all the duplicates. And just put another random mystery mini in there, just so that you don't get 3... Like, I got 3 duplicates so far. I'm expecting maybe a 4th duplicate. No, this one might be rare. So 3 duplicates. If you don't want duplicates, I'll try my best to send you something besides the duplicates. Or if you just want a sealed case and you don't want me messing with it, I'm actually happy to do that too. Okay, so this is the last box. I suspect this one will be a little bit better. I hope, at least. I mean, I got the Invisible Man. That's the main one that I wanted, so. I think it's a Wolfman. A little disappointing. No, Wolfman! Yeah, it's Wolfman. Alright. That's the thing with mystery minis. You end up with so many duplicates. So I got 4 duplicates out of the 12. That kind of sucks. But I got the one I really, really wanted. So that's awesome. I'm actually really happy about that. I really enjoyed that. Now, if you guys want to see me do another video opening another box, I'm happy to open another case up. If this video gets 100 likes and 5,000 views in the next couple of days, I'll definitely open up another box. And also just let me know in the comments if you want me to open up another one. Because I do want to put a set of these together. I love this one. I'm still looking for the pop of him in the Invisible. I've been looking for, what, over a year now? But super happy to have the mystery mini. Awesome. I want to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. With their help, I'm able to do videos like this more often. If you want to help support my channel as well, I'll put a link to Patreon right there. If this is the first time watching one of my videos and you enjoyed this mystery box opening and you want to see me do it more often, why don't you click the always face to subscribe? Why not? I want to make more videos like this just for you. I'm going to put a couple other mystery box openings right here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!